Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a keyboard on your PlayStation 4 without a controller. First, locate one of the two USB ports on the front of your console. Simply plug your wired USB keyboard directly into either of these ports. If you are using a wireless keyboard, insert its USB dongle into a port instead. The system should recognize the device almost instantly, allowing you to navigate menus and type with ease. Once your keyboard is connected, navigating the PlayStation 4 interface is straightforward. You can use the arrow keys to move up, down, left, and right through all the menus and options. To select something, just press the Enter key, which acts like the X button on a traditional controller. If you need to go back, the Escape key usually does the trick, mimicking the circle button. It's quite intuitive. One of the biggest advantages of using a keyboard is for text input. Whether you're sending messages to friends, browsing the web, or searching the PlayStation Store, typing is much faster than using an on-screen keyboard with a controller. Simply open any text field, and your connected keyboard will be ready to use. This is especially helpful for quick in-game chats or entering long redemption codes. While a keyboard is incredibly useful for navigation and typing, it's important to understand its limitations. It cannot fully replace a DualShock 4 controller for playing the vast majority of PlayStation 4 games. Most titles are designed around analog sticks, trigger buttons, and specific button layouts that a standard keyboard simply doesn't replicate. It's best used as a supplementary input device for specific tasks, not as a primary gaming controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.